Nyudra again sa Calgary and Canada. And syempre, ang Alba Fambam ay naapagyapon sa Australia. Ini-improve na namin, Australia. Yeah. Nasa Australia.
Yes, another day, another vlog for this trip.
Yep.
So ngayon, on the way na kami to Byron Bay. We're done here sa Gold Coast. Papunta na kami ng Byron Bay and tomorrow is the big day of our beloved brother. Yes.
And our sister.
And our beloved sister. Today, we're getting ready for the big day. So meron mga pre-dinner, pre-rehearsal, and anything na pwede namin ma-help para bukas. It's 10 a.m. in the morning. So, ang event tomorrow is afternoon as well.
Yeah.
So, we still have 24 hours pa para mag-prepare. So, ayun. Eto na. We're on our way.
Yep.
Byron
So
Bay.
it's around, the drive would be around 1 hour from Gold Coast going to Byron Bay. Halos magkatabi lang sila, pero magkaibang probinsya.
Yeah.
So ang Gold Coast ay nasa Queensland, ngayon pababa naman kami. Going to Byron Bay, which is in New South Wales. So ganun lang siya. At
Yep.
pabalik-balik kami, pababa. And, so drive tayo ng drive. So far, nag-e-enjoy na ako sa drive ko. Medyo-
Nakakabisado na niya.
Pwede na mag-race car dito.
Pwede na daw.
Pero syempre, laging takbong pogi lang.
Yeah. Siyempre lagi tayong safe and ano lang, sa tamang speed kasi
Okay nga, sa tamang speed. May big kasi yan. Kasi fam, noong 2018,
yung first naming long drive from Sydney to Melbourne, takbong pogi pa rin naman si Lawrence. But then, dahil nga siguro sa pagod na rin at masyadong mahaba na yung dinadrive nila ni Justin, kasi 2 cars din kami doon. Ang sabi ni Jazz, pwede na kaming magbibilis. Alam niya kung saan lang yung check ng ano daw, police.
yeah,
Tama ba?
Oo, alam niya daw.
Alam
kung
niya
saan
daw.
So syempre, ako naman.
So sumunod
follow
lang. Yeah,
Support
kasi
lang
siya ang
kami.
Australian eh.
Oo, siya ang Australian eh.
And then, what happened next, Daddy?
Ayun, alam niya pala kung saan talaga kami
Alam na
mahuhuli.
alam niya kung saan kami. So, nahuli kami ng police.
Mga around 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. Kasi overnight driving na rin kami nun. Kasi galing kami Scone, New South Wales to Melbourne. So sobrang haba din ang drive, like 10 hours, 9 hours din.
Yeah.
Dumaan pa kami ng small town, halos gitna na ng Australia actually. Wagga Wagga at that
Yeah.
time. So sobrang haba na ng drive, pinadali na namin. Si Justin napagod na, sa nagmamadali na. No?
So, doon
yun.
nagkataon.
So, to cut the long story short, nahuli
Magkano?
kaming dalawa. It's
Magkano pinahin?
$370
Per.
per car or per person. Kasi ang takbo na is around 140 or 150 na.
Pero dapat 110 lang ata yun.
Yeah, 100 or 110 lang.
100 o 110 lang
Yeah.
dapat.
And,
Lesson learned.
yeah. And then Philippine driver's license ako nun kasi based in Singapore.
Singapore pa
at that
kami,
time.
yeah.
So wala namang license sa Singapore. Pilipinas lang. So, ayun. So, big lesson yun for us.
So, ngayon, lagi lang kaming takbong ano.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean,
Hindi, well, gano'n naman din talaga ako mag-drive. Kahit
Yeah.
naman. Basta
so just
walang-
follow the speed lang tayo.
Yan. Wala na
Alright.
nga. Yung kapatid ko nga nandun na eh. So, ako dito lang. Chill lang tayo.
Ayan, so see you later, pa.
See you later.
And we are in the city of Byron
Byron Bay.
Ayan, we're entering the downtown siguro nila to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Main beach yung
Main beach. Yep, that's right. And hinahanap lang namin ang aming restaurant.
Yeah.
Kasi magla-lunch na muna kami. So,
Oo.
ito yung downtown city
Ibang
nila.
vibe naman.
Yeah.
Mas ano to siya, mas down, mas chill.
Yeah. Kasi yung Gold Coast talagang ano no, ang daming tao.
Ano talaga siya eh. City of ano talaga eh, city of surfers talaga. Ito,
Yep.
surf spot, beach place din. Pero parang hindi siya masyado pang ano.
Hindi siya ganun ka-commercialize.
Yeah.
Parang pang local talaga siya.
Yeah. Correct.
There you
Pero
go.
surf spot din
Byron
to eh.
Surf. Yeah.
Ayun na.
Ito na. Ayan na ang Fambam. Magpa-park lang kami.
Parking. Hanap na din kami ng parking.
Ito, Dad. Ay.
So nandito kami, Japanese restaurant ang pinuntahan namin sa Byron Bay. Then ito yung mga orders namin.
Would you like a pork belly something? Or?
Yeah, that should be good. Enjoy this. And how much is that?
Just a minute.
Yes.
I'm saying more, bro.
Ramen lang na pork.
Mahulog.
Oh, sana one.
Hot
What's that? Yeah, naka-order na ang family. And this is our daddy. Ano ang food niyo, Mami? Oh, sushi, salmon, and rice boxes, bento box.
Ginger
Mm.
and some wasabi.
Okay, nice. And ang sa amin naman, dalawang bento box ang tawag ata dyan. And then nag-order din kami ng ramen. Ayan, so done with lunchtime. So punta na nga kami ng Byron Bay dun sa place ng aking brother. Look at the sky now. It's super maganda. How many degrees now, Mommy? It's 25 degrees. Ganda, oh. Yan. So may graffiti dito. Byron Bay. And nandito na kami sa isa sa famous na wedding spots pala dito sa Byron Bay, which is yeah, it's really a farm. And ito yung entrance. And meron sila dito parang restaurant. Super good. Super nice. Yan. And then meron sila dito bay ladder. So, siguro for the ano. If you want desserts. And yeah, look at that. Mga birds meron. Ganda. Wow. Okay, quick pan tayo of the whole place. Iba talaga eh. Iba yung vibe din ng Australia eh. Okay. Then, if you go here, dito sa side, sa gilid, great thing may provided sila na playground. And it's muddy. Nandun ang mga anak mo, love. Oh, it's muddy playground. So, ayun, nandun. Sina Kuya Davon. It's muddy. Game na game yung mga, ano, yung mga bata. Walang pake. Basta, let's go. Okay, so papunta kami sa pony ride. May pony ride pala. Let's try if we could still. Sabi ni Mommy kanina, puno na daw yung ano, pang pony ride. Kasi para siyang binubook. But let's check out. Baka naman pwede pa. And then yeah, parang Calgary Farmyard, kuya. It's the same as the Calgary Farmyard. Yeah. Yep. Okay. It's this one is the Australia Farmyard. That's right.
Kuya, Lian, go.
Oh wow. Hello. What's up, yo? All right. Si Ate sa.
Do not stand behind. Do not stand behind.
Yeah, Davon. Wow. Ate. Go, Ate.
Yeah, look over here.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow. Ayan, done na ang mga pamangkins. Wow. Alright. Okay, and then ang next naman ay si Kuya Davon and si Lianica. So dun sa Calgary Farmyard may pony. That's the real pony kasi it's just like this tall. This is a horse. Okay, so we're gonna be going now.
Me first.
Ayan na, super excited
Say,
daw
Lian,
mga
face
kids.
mommy.
Yan, sasakay na sila, getting ready. Syempre, excited din tong mommy. Yan, let's go.
Wait, you need to wait.
No, let's go now. Good? Yeah, you need to wait.
Okay.
Maybe closer.
Ate, baka maano ka ng horse, ate.
We all take a turn.
Saka gumunod sa'yo. Oh, gutom. Kuya, gutom.
Quite high. Quite high. Okay, I'm gonna lift it. 3, 2, 1, jump.
Oh, wow. Kuya, hold tight, hold tight. Kuya, enjoy, have fun. Puntahan naman natin si Lianica. Lian, hold tight. Hold tight. Yan na ang aking Lianica.
really bumpy just a little.
Lian, hold tight. Yay! Wow, smile daw, B. Hold tight. It's not a pony, it's a horse. This is a horse. It's not a pony. Yeah. Wow. Right. Have fun, my love. Smile daw, be. Wow. So yung dalawa nag-go horseback doon. Medyo nakakakaba kasi ang taas eh, full grown horse eh. Tapos wala silang harness, nakahawak lang si Lianica at saka si Davon. Pero kayang-kaya nila yan. Mga anak ko yan eh, kayang-kaya nila yan. And yeah, yun nga, pag nahulog, medyo mataas-taas talaga yung landing. Ito na sila, isang ikot lang naman. And I think it's a very good experience for them. $20. Yeah. And there you go, that's my Kuya. Kuya, smile here, Kuya. Wow, and then you see a tractor. Yan naman si Lianica ko. Lian, smile! Wow! Alright. Takbo ka na dito, love. Wow! Nice job! Good job, Kuya!
Wait, picture muna, picture.
Picture.
Here.
Look at Auntie.
Here.
Actually, ang 100% mo energy.
Alright. Ayan na. Oh, ang ganda naman ng anak ko. Come on, come here. Right here. Okay. Yun na enjoy yung mga kids ko. Oh. Ayan. Yeah. Can we move to the? Can we just move to the side, just beside, and then take a photo? Okay.
Go.
Right. Yeah.
Dun ka sa kabila, kay Lian.
Alright, one. Okay, guys.
Thank you so much.
Okay, you ready?
Are you ready, Kuya? Are you ready? Okay. Go down.
Oh,
Thank
wow,
you.
You're petting your... Ay, kina, mommy help you. Come on.
Just wait.
Wow.
Very good.
So we both gonna go on. But she wants to go on the brown one, is that right?
I need to put you on the brown
Okay.
Mino, you go on the other one.
Very good. Thank you. Okay, come on. Nice job, Kuya. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. All right. Okay, so that's all. And we'll meet our brother na. Kasi tapos na daw silang mag-lunch. So, nandito lang kami to take a break. And ang ganda ng setup natin dito.
Hey fam! At andito na kami sa the farm nga. And dahil may time pa kami to go around. So nagwa-walk kami dito around the farm. And this...
May mga tree and biglang may sign dito, fam. So, ano kaya tingin mo, love? Papasok pa tayo dito? Mami, wag na. Snakes live here eh. Yan, nandito kami sa parang isang loob na farm. So, parang ang tawag daw nila dito, macadamia farm. I'm not pretty sure if macadamia nuts ba talaga or macadamia trees yung mga yan. Pero ang ganda ng scenery. And meron talagang sign dito, fam, na nakalagay, snakes live here. Pero, nandito pa rin kami. Ang ganda eh. Ang ganda. Yan. Alright. So, ayun. We're on our way actually to my brother's location right now. Siguro nandun sila sa bandang unahan. Doon sila nagla-lunch. Okay. See you later. Siyempre, tinabihan ko talaga tong sign para legit na legit. Take care, snakes live here. So thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and also to our Facebook page, Alba Fam Bams, same handle name. So salamat, maayong buntag, maayong gabi sa inyong tanan dira sa Canada and sa Calgary ug sa Pilipinas. Kita-kits ta ugma for another video. Hope you like it, and hang loose from New South Wales, Australia.